Hey guys, thanks for checking out Action Automotive. I'm Griff, and I forgot what I was gonna say. I'm Griff. Look, I know you guys have a lot of choices about where you can go to get your car fixed. Go to the dealer, big chain store. So why come here? Because I've been doing it for over 20 years, and I'll tell you the truth. I'm not trying to get over on you. I'm gonna tell you what I see. You do whatever you want. It's your car. This is my service writer, Casey.
Hi guys, chances are when you call, I'll be the one answering. I'll direct you to where you need to be, who you need to talk to, and when to bring your vehicle in. If you have any questions, I'll be the one answering them. And if I don't have them, I'll know who to talk to.
That's pretty cool, huh? You don't sound like any other service writer I've heard before. That's a plus. Because when you walk in here, you're actually gonna feel welcome. Like, wow, got this young lady being nice to me, not trying to force all these sales on me. That's right, that's how we do things. It does exist, because we are changing the culture of auto repair here. I call it the Jerry Maguire approach. Less customers, more personal attention. So look, if you're in Colorado Springs, you need your car fixed, call Casey. 719-633-0008. We'll talk to you soon.